was attacking the skeleton, and honestly, the man had no chance.
Did the skeleton win?
No. I'm spawning a million skeletons so I can watch him duel it out. Spawn. There we go. Oh, it's the word again. I IP banned you earlier just so I could have leaked your IP.
You
And now I have it.
You IP banned me.
Yeah, then I unbanned you just so I could know your IP.
Oh yeah. You sure did.
Leaking it.
That's not my IP.
That's your IP.
I'll check.
Trust me,
Let me check.
definitely.
Let's check my IP right now. I can do that.
Okay.
Can you just IP check someone? Like just go and say IP check.
Depends what plugins you're using, mate.
I think that was a plugin. Into the file. What are you doing? Dude, my...
Don't worry. I'm doing nothing.
Whoa, oh, yo, no. Oh my
No.
gosh. What are you doing? You can just unban yourself.
I know, I'm in console, but I don't want to.
Alright, fine, I'll unban you. There, I unbanned you.
I unbanned myself first, okay?
There, now you're opt again. Don't do that. Friggin' charge creepers, get them out of here. Oh my god.
Don't worry, it's good for the environment. Let me just kill them really quick. There we go, they're all dead. They're pretty much all dead. Oh, this is so fun. I have a strange addiction to doing this. Just a little bit strange. Alright. Also, another one. Also, I like doing this one. Oh my goodness.
Where are you? Here you are. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Sugar cane? I see you. Turn your hex on.
Oh my god, I'm stuck. What did you do to me?
What?
I don't like this. I'm stuck.
What? You just left.
Huh? I just got kicked for flying is not enabled.
Aren't you up? Up.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, you're up.
I'm free.
That was weird.
I meant to be smiting them. Okay, this is really a mess. I want roll it to work. Go in console. Go in console.
Why?
No reason.
Installed. Did you install any other... What in the world? Fancy world edit?
Oh, it makes the roll edit go really fast.
Did it work?
But you have to have roll edit in order for
Plugin
it to work,
constructor.
so that's kind of an issue.
What did you install?
I didn't install anything. I meant to literally look inside the console section of server.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Huh?
Oh my gosh. You're just...
Something I typed in console.
Right,
but if you actually want to know what I'm doing right now, I'm filling a ravine with creepers.
You're just freaking destroying my server. The poop server can't handle this.
I know, it has a 1 kilobyte of memory, and these creepers probably surpass that.
Dude, it's really lagging.
I know. And that's the way I like it.
Nah. Where are you?
Look down. Look into this ravine. Okay, let's get to
Oh
the ravine.
my.
Ah! Outplayed. Are you slash pushing me?
No, I don't have /push. It's not a command. Oh my gosh.
Dude, this is so
Dude,
beautiful.
oh.
No, I was trying to heal them.
Dude,
No.
you are literally, you're charging them.
I'm
You're
a
not
menace to
killing them.
society.
Dude, you just reset the server. Oh my, yeah, you did.
I didn't do that. Oh, I probably crashed it.
Oh my, you just crashed the server.
Don't worry. I got
Dude,
this.
you just crashed the server.
Dude, just slash butcher.
Dude, no, I
I
can't.
gotta go now.
Nah. Hey, nah. Dude, you just broke my server.
Dude, it's a free server that you waited 3 minutes for.
Yeah, no,
Cancel it.
no. I put my heart and soul into
Then it
this
doesn't
server.
even work.
Do
So
you
I
know?
couldn't slash
Do,
slash replace near 1000 dirt air
do you know what
slash
I?
TNT
Do you know what
slash
I?
redstone block.
Yeah. Why do you think I disabled it?
I don't think you actually disabled
Nah, I
it.
didn't. It didn't work. But dude, what the frick? Yo, fix this. Fix that server.
Fine.
Dude,
It won't let me back on.
it won't let me back on either. Alright.
I gotta do this from console.
Stop.
Hold on. It won't let me type in
Just
console, which
restart
is
the
an
server.
issue.
I'm restarting the server.
Except my console just cleared.
Dude, oh my god. What are you thinking?
Oh, that's a whole lot of warnings.
Oh, well, one of it
Wait,
says,
hold on. It failed to register event class. Hold on.
dude, oh, it's valid form. World
Yeah,
edit.
World Edit had an error.
Yeah. Can I get on it? Oh, I'm in. I'm in. Dude, okay.
Unban me.
Oh,
I'll fix it.
I'm banned you.
Let's see. Give me up.
Are you up?
No.
There.
Welcome back to Menace to Society. Oh, that was a whole lot of butchering. What's happening to me? Robbie, get out of me with your stupid troll plugin.
What?
Get out of me. You have your troll plugin. I saw that.
This doesn't work. Luckily, you don't know how to stop it. Why do you have three? Why do you have 3 diamond swords? I got banned.
Wait, how do I get? Okay, I'm coming. I gotta go now, Robbie.
No. Stand for a minute. Stand for a second. TJ, where are you going?
I go sleep.
He literally went. Oh my. Alright, I unbanned myself. Dude, look what he did to my server. It's so laggy. Oh my god. Dude, I'm gonna have to like get a new server or something. Restart. Oh my. I'm gonna have to like reinstall this. No, I'm out. Nope. No. Bye. Quit game.